Hi, I'm Caleb from Karl Tatler, Little Sutton. Today we are in Ascot Drive in Great Sutton at this 4-bedroom detached bungalow. Let's go and have a look. This wonderful home has been completely transformed from a 2-bedroom property to a 4-bedroom extended bungalow. As you enter the property, you are greeted with an enormous hallway which spans the majority of the bungalow. The bungalow consists of 4 double bedrooms, 2 of which include vast amounts of integrated storage, with the master bedroom including a stunning ensuite. We also have a modern family bathroom and an additional sitting room, perfect for family entertainment. And here we have the open plan kitchen diner, which has been renovated to an exceptional standard and is complete with aluminium bifolding doors that open out to the garden. The bungalow offers a gorgeous garden with an amazing patio area, raised turf and rendered borders. If you have any questions or would like to arrange a viewing, please call Karl Tatler Little Sutton today.